Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandisa Mkiti for those of you that do not know. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I have reached 150 subscribers and I'm really excited. I mean, it's been a very slow growth, but yeah, we celebrate even the small wins. So on today's video, I just thought I would give you a bit of an update. If you guys remember, about 7-8 months ago, I did a video on my hair drama. My hairline was seeing all of the flames. So when I just finished washing it actually just now, so I thought actually why not do a bit of an update to show you how my hairline is doing and some of the products that I have been using throughout the time. You may have seen some of the stuff when I started with them, so now is just a bit of a update on how that is going and maybe stuff that you can try for yourself. So if you're interested to see the update, please do keep on watching, and remember to comment, remember to like, remember to subscribe. Also just recommend some products that you think can help me or work better than the ones that I have now. And yeah, keep watching. So because my hair is sort of almost drying out now, it's a little bit damp but not really, I'm going to spritz this heat defense from Tresemme. This just helps protect the hair from the heat, because I'm going to be blow drying my hair. I might straighten, but maybe not now. So this has also been something I think that's also contributed to the health of my hair. And I've had this for sure, I think almost a year. No, a year is too little. I think a year and a bit. So I think that's enough. I'm just gonna massage that into my hair, and then I'm going to blow dry my hair, but I'm obviously not gonna show you guys that. You've seen that before. And then I'll be back after the blow drying. So I'm back and I've hair dried my hair. Does it hair dry or blow dry? But blow dry. And this is how much hair has come out. I think it's not too bad. I think this is like a decent amount of shedding. But so my hair is not like completely dry. What I then do is I have been using this product. It's called Chebe. I think it's Chebe butter. It's got chebe powder, masaba, sobiane seed. Wow. It's got this seeds. It's got cloves, sesame oil, some wax, and max unrefined shea butter. So yeah, I got this. This was like $100 for this tub, and it really has been helping with my hairline. I slacked a bit after I started using it for the first time, because the lady at the salon where I bought it said I need to use it at least twice a day, so in the mornings and maybe in the evenings. So obviously in the mornings when I'm getting ready for work or whatever, I'll put it on, but night is a bit of a problem. So I hadn't been using it that much at first, but then I remembered, I think also just got lazy, man, because basically busy with braids. You guys saw most that I was busy doing braids and I was living my life. Because I remember that when I did that video, my hairline was so bad. I was literally at the verge of chopping my hair off. I was literally like ready to just go to the barber or the hair salon or whatever and just be like gundan lane, because I was like I was done. So this really helped. I thought I wouldn't do braids for the time being, but after a while I was just like, I hate like staying with my hair out, because it's just, in as much as it's better when it's relaxed, because there really isn't much maintenance, but having to wake up and moisturize and comb it, I was just like, yo, I'm cool. Hey, with braids, they are, for me, a little like less of a headache, because even on a day where you're in a hurry, you can just with braids. But with this hair, you can't just do that. So I'm randomly just basing my scalp with that same butter. And like I said, I normally would do this when my hair is still a little wet, especially at the roots. I don't know, for me, I don't know, I just think that it absorbs into the hair and into the scalp, a lot better. But I'm honestly, I have a feeling that this year will not end without me having cut it, because I think in as much as my hairline seems to be working with me, I'm just tired. And my friends often just like wanna fight me when I say I wanna cut my hair, because it's like, yo, your hair has grown so much. But a part of me also just wants to see how long it can actually grow if I really, try to take care of it. So I think there's also that of just like, I wonder how far it can grow. But my hair breaks, so please also just suggest something that works for breakage. I don't know if it's maybe the type of shampoo and conditioner that I'm using, but yeah, like my hair breaks. And even when I relax my hair, because I do it myself, I never really do those treatment thingies that you'd normally do when you like treat your hair at a salon and that kind of stuff. I just don't have the time. Maybe I should learn how to do that myself. Yeah, maybe I should like Google and YouTube on how to do my own hair treatment and see how that goes. Actually, I think that's what I'll do, because I know that with people that like would normally relax their hair at the salon, they would go back for the treatment, I think after like 2 or 3 weeks after relaxing. Let me know if I'm correct, but I think they go back 2 or 3 weeks after relaxing. So Mina, instead of treating 2 or 3 weeks later, I just wash my hair, because I would normally start seeing the flakes, the dandruff in my hair. And then I've also been using this Garnier Ultimate Blends hair food. It smells really good. It smells like, you know, those dolls, those plastic dolls. When you find like those plastic dolls, the Sissy Zinja, that's what this smells like. And I don't put too much, because there's like already that butter that's on my scalp. So I just then massage this into there. Let's just get a little more, and then I just want to do my ends. And then I am going to just blow dry my hair again for the last time, and then I will be back. I am back with my hair. So I've fully blow dried it, and I just want to show you, I put a bit of gel just to sort of lay the hair a bit, and just show you. I think this is so much better than what the hair initially was. It probably isn't at its best because of the pulling, you know, from the braids and all of that, but what I am most happy about is the fact that I'm seeing hair here, you know, because already here it was becoming a problem as well as here. So hair is starting to grow back here. Well, it has started to go to grow back, and I'm hoping that I'm gonna try and be consistent with my hair routine, I guess, especially with this girl right here. Try and be consistent for at least like the next, 6 months. I don't know how I'm going to work around the braids thing, because normally, well, the couple of times that I've had braids before was that I would ask my hairdresser to just not mess around with my hairline, and I would continue applying the chebe butter. So I don't know if I'm gonna want to stay away from braids from now until the 6-month period is up or what. So I'll see. But I think without trying to make this video too long, please do recommend some products that I can use for mainly the breakage, because like I said, my hair just breaks a lot. So maybe just recommend some products that I can try out for breakage. Maybe a different shampoo, maybe a different conditioner, maybe even a different hair food or moisturizer, something that will help me with the breakage. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one.